Decarbonization, or the reduction of carbon emissions, is a significant topic in the air transport industry worldwide. The hybrid drive in Zuri fits perfectly into this trend, mainly because it's planned to use Sustainable Aviation Fuel, which has 80% lower CO2 emissions than regular aviation fuel. In the case of Zuri, this will mean approximately 46 grams of CO2 equivalent per passenger kilometer, which is significantly lower than the emissions of similar size aircraft currently in operation. Our plane will have such low CO2 emissions that it will even outperform conventional cars or buses. And surprisingly, even eVTOLs, because, recharging them and battery production life cycle causes emissions too.
The benefits of Zuri's upcoming hybrid 5-seater are further highlighted when we look at long-term car usage statistics. As cars are typically used to transport just one passenger, the 5-seat Zuri, intended to be used as an air taxi, has a much higher occupancy rate. As a result, CO2 emissions are only 46 grams of CO2 per passenger kilometer. In addition, the aircraft will be able to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, using a space of only 26 by 26 meters. With low emissions, low space requirements, low noise, low operating costs and a range of over 700 kilometers, the Zuri hybrid aircraft will revolutionize regional transport.
CO2 emissions are low for our Zuri aircraft because the turbine generator runs on sustainable aviation fuel that emits less CO2. Zuri believes in a hybrid approach significantly more than in a rapid progress in battery chemistry. We also use electric motors and accumulators to reduce the noise during takeoff and landing. However, we do not believe that there will be a breakthrough in electrical energy storage within the next 15 years that would allow batteries to be relied on the VTOL flights longer than an hour.
Sustainable air fuel is a term used for different types of fuel. In some projects, it is envisaged that this fuel will be produced through a synthetic process, for example, by combining carbon dioxide captured from industrial production. Other development teams are experimenting with organic waste or specialty crops, neither water-intensive plants nor plants that could be used for food production.
At Zuri, we have decided to primarily use sustainable aviation fuel in our hybrid unit. But it can also function fully and without restriction using normal aviation fuel. This means that our aircraft will not be dependent on any special infrastructure. Unlike upcoming battery-powered aircraft, where charging or replacing heavy batteries is one of the many significant limitations. Another theoretical option, a hydrogen hybrid, presents many safety challenges in terms of production and safe storage. From this perspective, the use of hybrid generator powered by sustainable aviation fuel brings the least unknowns, and therefore we are convinced that Zuri aircraft will be a real revolution in regional transport in the near future.